Well, what's up, everybody? So I'm just here for this dryer fence mess test. So got a Bissell Cleanview compact turbo in what model is this? 3437F. We got a Bissell powerforce compact, and this so this is a compact 2112. So let's start with the Bissell Cleanview compact turbo. So let's do that one first, and let's see how it does. So that one did better. That one left it a little behind and the other one over there. So yeah. So that one did a great job in first. So let's go with the powerforce compact. Next is a powerforce compact 2112, and let me see how it does. That one did a great job. Like, that one has a shot motor in it, but that's okay. So did it excellent well. This powerforce compact. So this is left a little. They left a little piece over there. So yeah. So I'm gonna get 2 passes. I'm gonna go with the Cleanview compact turbo. Do it. So yeah, so let's go with the next one with the powerforce compact 2112. So yeah, that one did a great job. Both of them are wins. So who's the winner? So the winner is the Bissell Cleanview compact turbo. That one excellent job. So yeah, and yep, I'll see you next time. Peace.